Hello everyone, today I'm going to be making a video on how to drive an automatic car for the first time. Alright, so let's get right into it. Alright, we're going to start with the gearbox right here. So P, that means the car is in park. R, that means the car is in reverse, meaning it's going backwards. N, that means the car is in neutral, meaning that the wheels is free but the car itself is not moving unless you push it or it's on like a hill. D, that means the car is in drive, meaning it's driving forward. S, that means the car is in sport, meaning that's another gear where it just go faster. All right, so the right side, you got a right side mirror to see the side of that car. The middle, you got a rear view mirror to see the back of your car, to see the cars in the back. And then on the left side, you got another side mirror to see the side of the left. All right, now let's look at the brake and the gas. The brake is on the left, is the wider pedal right here. The gas is on the right, is the slimmer one and the taller one. The gas is on the right, the brake is on the left. All right, let's get to the steering wheel. All right, on your left, you got the signals. So it's a signal right, you just push it up. You got the right signal on. To turn it off, you just put it in the middle. To do a left signal, you just put it down. And you got your left signal. And your lights, some people lights is on the left too as well. Mine's is right here. I just go like that and it's on. On this side, you got your windshield wipers right here. Where if you press it down or up, it will go up. So this is your parking brake right here. So if you want to engage it, all you're gonna do is hold the brake on the left, put the car in neutral, and then engage it. You just lift it up like that. And if you want to disengage it, just hold the brake, press that button, and release it. And another tip is, when you shifting gears, make sure you at a complete stop. Don't shift gears unless you at a complete stop. All right, now let's go over the gauges. So this is the speedometer, where it shows the speed of the car. So you just want to go the speed limit of your city or town, wherever you at. Ours is 25, so this is where I'm supposed to be at. And this is a tachometer, where it shows the speed of the engine. Yeah. And then I will recommend, before you start driving, to have the car in park right here and actually test the brake pedal. Just tap it, just tap it while it's in park to see how it feels, and then gently tap the gas just to see how it feels, so you can get a good feel of it before you start. Before we get on the actual road, I just want to show you how it looks between the brake and the gas, like your footwork. All right, so basically you only use one foot. You use your right foot. The left foot you just put on the rest side right here. And you basically, once you're ready, you put your right foot on the brake, hold the brake, put the car in drive. Once you're in drive and it's safe to go, you just slowly let go of the brake, and then you ease your way in with the gas. Like, you just slightly tap it, because the car's already gonna be rolling once you let go of the brake. So once you reach a certain point, then you just want to tap the gas a little bit to ease your way into traffic. All right, so this is what hand over hand steering looks like. You just go hand over hand. When you turn it right, this is what you do. And if you turn it left, you just signal left, and then go the opposite way, hand over hand. And this right here, this is the emergency brake light. As you see, it's two signals that's on, so it turn on both signals, signaling other drivers that is something wrong with your car, or when you stop somewhere. First thing you want to do is have your foot on the brake, hold it, hold your foot on the brake, is the left side, then turn the car on until you hear the engine. All right, now once you hear the engine is on, now place your left hand on the 9 o'clock position and your right hand at the 3 o'clock position on the steering wheel. All right, now you're going to go ahead and put the gear in drive, D. All right, If you're not sure, you could look on the scoreboard, the dashboard, and it will say D if it's in drive. Now put on your left signal, and it depends on where you at. I had to get out the spot, so I had to put on my left signal and turn the steering wheel, check my mirrors before I exit the spot. So make sure you check your mirrors and your blind spot just to be safe. Just be patient. Be sure it's clear to go before you move out the spot. All right, now once it's clear, now you just want to let go of the brake. You want to go let go of the brake little by little. And once you get out the spot, now you can gently press the gas and ease your way into traffic. So at this point, you just managing the gas. You just having a good feel for it. So now as I'm approaching this light, you just want to gently press the brake little by little until you come to a complete stop. So you don't want to smash on the brake or nothing like that. You just want to gently press on it little by little until you come to a full stop to get you that fully smooth stop. All right, now we just waiting at the light. Once the light is green, we will go ahead. We will let go of the brake again and gently ease your way with the gas again. So you just gently press the gas. So now we just going straight. As you're going straight too, you have to adjust the steering wheel with the roads. The roads are not straight. So you just have to minorly adjust it a little. So we're going all the way to the next light. Once again, once you're about to reach a red light, you want to start holding the brake from far behind, little by little, until you come to a full stop. So you don't want to wait till last minute to hold the brake where you had to smash the brakes. No, you just want to hold it little by little until you come to a full stop. So now we got a green light, and we're going to make a right turn. So here we just doing hand over hand steering, and just going smoothly with it. You don't have to press the gas as much on those saber turns. So now we're just going straight again. Once again, adjusting with the roads. There's a lot of bumps on the roads. Excuse me for that. And now we're reaching another intersection where it's a red light. All right, so now when you stopping behind cars, you want to make sure you can see the wheels and the bumpers. Yes, you want to keep a good distance in between y'all. So now we're going to make another right turn here. Hand over hand steering once again. You slow down to the pace where you could turn. You don't want to be too slow, but you want to slow down where you could make a safe turn. So now we're just going straight again until we reach our destination where we want to pull over at. Once again, there's a lot of bumps on these roads. So we're just going straight, adjusting with the roads, just small adjustments on the steering wheel. Just watch the hand technique. Here we got a green light, so we're going to keep it going. We're just going to keep going until we reach the point where we want to pull over. And if you can, try to find an empty parking lot. I would recommend that instead of going straight into the street. But if you have no choice, pick the least busiest area and have someone watch you as you drive. All right, so now we about to pull over here. So I'm gonna put my signal on and I'm gonna just pull over smoothly into the spot. Gently pressing the brake till I came to a full stop. Now I'm fully stopped. Now I'll put the gear back in park. Make sure you're holding the brake though this whole time. Don't let go of the brake, yes. And once you put it in park, then you could turn the car off.